Welcome to 732 Lublin Avenue, an exceptionally well-maintained 3-level 3+1 bedroom backsplit home within Pickering's Bay Ridges community, and just a short walk to its beautiful waterfront along Lake Ontario. The front, back, and side yards are landscaped with stone garden beds and filled with shrubs, evergreens, and mature perennial flowers, with the south-facing side yard featuring a stone interlocking patio area from which to enjoy the natural beauty. Anchoring this delightful outdoor oasis is the sweet-smelling splendour of lilacs in its southwest corner, and the backyard also has a storage shed, while young families will enjoy the abundance of play space. Featuring a brick exterior with siding, as well as a long driveway with a carport and ample parking. Through the main entry door is a home showcasing a warm and inviting atmosphere, spacious principal rooms, light-filled bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a newly renovated lower level. With an L-shaped open theme design and updated with hardwood flooring, the entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms enjoy natural light through 2 east-facing windows, which also have blinds providing light diffusion as well as privacy, while a soft neutral color palette enhances their spaciousness. A great work and mingling space, the eat-in kitchen features ceramic flooring and backsplashes, a cozy breakfast area, and track lighting for added brightness. Stainless steel appliances include a dishwasher, built-in microwave, oven with smooth surface cooktop, and fridge, while a large window above the stainless steel double sink allows for diffused natural light. A side door provides access to the backyard. Multiple counters provide options for meal preparation, servery space, and a computer area, while the wood cabinetry offers abundant storage and has a striking accent cabinet with glass panel doors and interior lighting. The foyer has a double coat closet, ceramic flooring, and crown moldings, and to both the upper and lower levels are stairs with hardwood treads, white risers, and either hardwood handrails or railings. The upper level features updated hardwood flooring throughout, a linen closet, and 3 bedrooms, all with large windows with either west or south-facing exposures for ample natural brightness. The second bedroom features a single closet. The third bedroom has a walk-in closet, while the master bedroom features a large double closet, a ceiling fan, as well as wood trim along the ceiling. And shared by these bedrooms is a 4-piece washroom with ceramic flooring, a ceramic tiled bath and shower area with a soaker tub, as well as a vanity with a mirrored door medicine and toiletry cabinet. Bringing wonderful living space to the home and fully renovated in April 2021 is the lower level. Showcasing above-grade windows, hot lighting throughout, and ample storage space, this level also has a new laundry room featuring patterned ceramic floor tiles, washer and dryer, and a stainless steel sink. The family recreation area is centered around a stone fireplace featuring a wood mantel shelf and built-in shelving on both sides, and the updated vinyl plank flooring finishing this relaxing entertaining space is continued into the newly created bonus room. Featuring a contemporary glass-paneled French door entry and built-in shelving, and ideal as a 4th bedroom, a home office, or a den, this room also has access to a gorgeous contemporary 3-piece washroom showcasing patterned ceramic floor tiles, a corner glass shower with rainfall shower head, a floating vanity, and 2 fully tiled walls. This home additionally features a new furnace, central air conditioning, backflow valve, and an owned hot water tank. The soffit, fascia, eaves, and siding have been updated, the ducts were recently cleaned, and the existing alarm system is monitored and can be assumed by the new owner if desired. Steps to public transit and a short walk to Sir John A. Macdonald Public School, Pickering's iconic Big M Burger restaurant, and the trails throughout nearby Alex Robertson Park. This home is also just minutes to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.